Hello everybody, this is Reviews More, back to a quick tech review and follow-up about these Logitech G635 USB attached headphones. And this is going to be a quick just follow-up after 1 year of wearing them basically every day, as well as a quick demonstration of cleaning the pads and removing them, because I left that on my first review of how basically how to take them off. So trigger warning, you're going to see some grossness because I haven't cleaned these in a couple months, so there's some skin cell stuff going on there, some just growtiness that happens with lots of headphones and things. And this is going to be a really short review, so right here you see me just testing out the memory foam. You can see how well it's going. The adjustable headphones, you're going to hear them in just a second because one of the key, they're made of metal, which is one of the probably the biggest benefits to those adjustable headphones is the fact they're metal based, so they don't wear out as quick. But just real fast, this is the actual sound of them adjusting, so they've kind of kept the rigidity, so here's that sound. And there's no rust, there's no corrosion of any kind, there's no breaking, peeling, or anything else. The metal isn't causing any issues with the plastic track that it's on. So far, really good condition. The ear pads are still very, very rigid. They haven't gotten soft or nasty or anything. They haven't ripped. There's no tears. And I wear glasses, so on top of that, they sometimes go up against metal frame glasses. They're still fine. They do get dirty, and here's going to be the biggest culprit right here is the inside pad, because I have big ears because I have a big head, so they do get dirty. This is a great lesson on, sorry, there's the trigger warning, guys. It's kind of gross. I apologize, but it demonstrates it. But basically, to clean these, very simple. The pads come right off. They're a little tricky to get back on just because it's kind of a pain to get them slid back on where that plastic or that fake leather right there gets on there. But once they come off, you turn them inside out. I clean mine in the sink with some just standard detergent for like your washer dryer, and it gets all the nasty skin off right there. This is also a good lesson to not share headphones, because even if yours are clean, you don't know whose else ears and nasty stuff are in there. And contact dermatitis is a real thing. Don't get it. It's nasty. So make sure you're cleaning these things probably once a month. Be safe, especially if you're gaming heavily. It takes about a day for them to dry out. Do not put them in the dryer, obviously. This is after I went ahead and hand washed them. Note they're like basically spotless now. There's nothing there. Everything comes right off of it because it's all synthetic material for the most part. Except for I think the pads might be cotton covered because they don't really retain a whole lot of heat. But yeah, definitely try to clean these things once a month. And if you're in the warmer months when you're sweating more, probably more often than that. This is after a few months of me not cleaning it irresponsibly. So again, sorry for the grossness, but it does demonstrate how these do come clean fairly simply. So all you got to do is let them dry for a day. Other than that, they're a year later, the headphones are still great. They still do their job perfectly well. Everything's going fine with them. It's just a matter of whether or not you can deal with the cord that's attached to it. I have had a couple issues where it got wound up in my chair and yanking out of the socket, but it did not yank out of the computer side. It yanked out of the headphone side, which I think might be kind of intentional, because if it yanked out of the computer side, you can cause damage to your computer and rig, and that would be kind of sad, or potentially to other items you might have it plugged into. So it is kind of nice that the connection to the actual headphones is loose enough to where the micro USB connection to the headphones themselves will pop out first. So that's kind of nice. Overall, really happy a year later, and I would highly still recommend purchase them if you're in the market for a good set of gaming headphones that are wired. Have a great day.